Finally, we just got our hands on the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro, and this phone is all about
AI-centric, generative AI, generative AI.
We know Google does a great job at bringing a lot of new features to the phone, and this time around we have loads of new features. And the question that we want to address is whether the Google Pixel 8 Pro is good for the average user who wants to take exceptional photos and use this as a daily driver. And if that is the question you're looking to have answered, then you are in the right place. So here is the retail box, and inside the box we get the phone, cable, SIM eject tool, and no charger, and so that makes up the flagship unboxing experience. The one I picked up is in the color Obsidian Black, but Google also offers two other colors: Porcelain, which is really white, and then Bay, well, not Bay B-A-E, but like Bay, B-A-Y, which is a really cool blue. The Obsidian Black, as we can see, is just true deep black, and I'm all for it. Now, taking a look at the display, they are slightly improved. We got the 6.7-inch screen with thinner bezels. It also houses the LTPO display that allows display to dynamically change its refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, and the phone's peak brightness sits at around 2400 nits, making it the brightest display on any smartphone. It is great for using the phone outside under direct sunlight, and Google had to do their thing and be fancy and call it the Super Actual Display. Now, at the back we have the camera system, but first we have a newly added temperature sensor allowing you to measure things around you, which is pretty cool. And oh yeah, it can also measure the temperature if you have a 15 Pro Max when it's about to heat up. On that note, I'm working on a review video for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so make sure to hit that sub for some dope content, and please do yourself some favor, get some of that good karma by supporting me, and we can all be tech buddies. All jokes aside, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is powered by the new Tensor G3, 12 gigs of RAM, and a slightly larger battery at 50 milliamps. But what differentiates Google Pixel phones from all the other smartphones is its implementation of its software and the use of AI to develop these really cool features. So here I am running a show on Netflix at the back, got my fan making noises as well, and now let's remove all the sound to see what happens.
What's up, folks? This is Yafi. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family.
So obviously what's happening is we can hear a lot of, background noises from the anime playing in the background and just random sounds being picked up in the audio. What you can actually do is you can go to the audio settings, hit audio eraser. It's going to take a couple seconds for it to pick up, and it's going to kind of assign you different audio forms within your video that you can actually edit out. And here I'm just going to remove it and hit save, and we're going to play it back for you.
What's up, folks? This is Yafi. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family.
And notice how the background sound is completely erased, which I think is completely cool. AI is highly involved in the camera experience, and Google phones have always been centered around how amazing the cameras are. But before we do, let's take a look at the camera system on the 8 Pro. So we have that 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with the 5x zoom. And features like Magic Editor, thanks to the awesome AI built in, it changes the photo game entirely. You can pretty much become an Instagram model or a social media influencer. So if you want to elevate your photo game and delete random people from the background, shift the location of your body, or change your background with a few clicks, this is the phone for you. So how much does it cost? Well, this year Google did bump the price up to $999, but there is an awesome pre-order deal where if you buy the Pixel 8 Pro, you can actually choose between the Pixel Watch 2 or the Pixel Buds Pro. And with that being said, if you are into taking photos and if you do see yourself using these awesome new features that this phone offers you with a longer battery life, then I think this phone is a viable option for you. If you enjoyed this video, please share this video with your friends and families. Comment down below what you thought, and smash that like. With that being said, it's your boy Yathu. Peace.